chat. This is amazing. Thank you. Ooh, nice. It's when you feel like you're winning at life. I remember those days. This is Pink and Pine Panalin, Mr. Clean Unstoppables, Lime Ajax, several dish soaps, fabric softener, laundry powder. See, yep, I get you. Stay at home mom. And then we've got laundry powder and then several cans in here. Well, a lot of cans in here, but. Yeah, I remember those days of being like, whew, I did it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's the reason why I quit working, was because of my migraines. I loved every bit of it. But I do miss working. That's why I've been subbing. Really careful with the United Healthcare and State Farm are legit ones that if you can get into them. There's so much powder at the bottom of this. It's so good. Look at this. I did see that. That was awful. Like, I thought it was AI at first. See, I worked for United Healthcare, but I got on before they were United Healthcare. So good, y'all. That would be the worst job ever. I feel that too. Definitely get underpaid. Oh, what was her name? Yeah, I thought for sure, like I thought it was AI and then everybody was talking about it and I was like, let me go back and watch that again. I'm awful at posting, period. Yeah, but I became a stay-at-home mom once my daughter was in school. It was perfect. Look at that. Hi, princess. Yes. Suds bye. Yes, that was awful. Like, I'm glad she's okay. I don't know. I'm not a kid person, so I don't even know if it'd be fun if I was rich. People think I'm crazy when I say I'm not a kid person, but I got a kid. My own daughter is like, that's rude. No. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, I think they said it like singed the hair on her arm. The pink vanillin. Oh, and you're having one, yeah? Yeah, I always said I didn't want kids. I don't want kids. I don't want kids. Then I got with my current husband, and it was like, well, if we're gonna do it, let's do it. Wouldn't trade her for the world. But it was definitely I'm done. I don't want no more. I'm not cut out for this. It was fine. Like, I loved her. And this is for people that have like low iron or are pregnant and crave it. Hi, Dirty Man. That was all the powder that was paid for. She did. But she's also one of those kids that I don't think would have done well with a sibling. Ooh, New Year, baby. You sound so much like me. My limit was 30, girl. I had her when I was 29 and I turned 30 in July. And that's the reason why I told my husband, I was like, well, if we're gonna do it, let's do it. Because we tried for a while, but Kat, I hope you enjoyed your pound bombs. Cutting it close. Yeah, so the way that our ages work is the second number of our ages will always be the same. So like right now she's 13, I'm 43, and my husband's 43. And so she'll turn 14 in March, and then I'll be 44, and then he'll be 44. Oh, I'm glad you loved it. So it turned out pretty cool. Like, they all work. kills me. You're not old. Me too. I feel that way about some things in my life. This song represents. No longer have kids. Were you done, Samantha? No, that may be too personal, but. I mean, I envy the people that, like, enjoy kids. You got it. I got what? I do save. I got what? Did I miss something? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we gotta be safe. Oh, it's ordered. It is ordered. So hopefully by my next live, I'll have it. Yeah, and then I was having problems with placing my order. Sophie helped me out. Yeah, I got that one and like 3 other ones. I got the line one. Because I've been really enjoying watching that one, so it's like I need to just order it. So I got the days, I got the line. Maybe I did get another corner one. That may be it. I know I'm excited for that one. I love watching the dish soap bombs on that one. The dazed one. Yeah, the line grout. I've really been enjoying watching that one. I think Sponge Junkie has a line one is where I've been seeing it. Oh, cat. I'm sorry, babe. Yeah, I don't know what it is about the line one. Like at first I was like, I don't like that one. And if all of a sudden this, I'm getting it. Welcome back, Tara. Thank you, Maddie. It is amazing. If you're talking about this or the sponges, both. Yeah, cat, I'm sorry, babe. And you got us complaining about our kids. Look like we're ungrateful for having them. So, me and my husband has 2 brothers. One is married. My husband's the oldest. And so him and the youngest are married. And the middle will never be married and never have kids, thank goodness. Okay, good. I don't ever want you to think that I don't appreciate her. And thank God